Welcome to 1134 Blueberry Lane, right off Providence Road in Charlotte. This fully renovated home, it boasts a complete remodel that has it competing with new construction. Look at that beautiful awning, very modern. You're gonna love how they've decorated in here. Now, when you first enter, you'll see this gorgeous sitting room. And I just love all of the details. They've got beautiful crayon molding, beautiful light fixtures, a lot of nice details like the built-ins and the chair rail on wainscoting. And we've got fully refinished floors in all of the downstairs. That was done last year. Here is our guest bathroom, very modern, very chicly and smartly designed. And let's walk around through the living room to get back to the kitchen. We've got these custom built-ins, and they've got really nice detail on it that you can't really see, but they're quite gorgeous. Just look at this layout. I love these sconces, and they're activated by the light switch here. We've got really nice blinds. And this mantle is gorgeous, this fireplace here. And we're looking into the kitchen and the backyard right here from the dining room. Let's take a look. We have another little breakfast nook here with a little bay window overlooking the backyard, a nice glass top, double oven, really nice deep sink, dishwasher. All the appliances are new and modern. Now look at this washroom. Now if you watched my videos before, you know nothing excites me like a really good laundry room. I just love it. And what I really love here is that we've got a sink. A sink in a laundry room, that is a super bonus. A lot of area for folding and storage. I love it. And then of course, this is gonna take you into the garage. And as you can see, it fully accommodates 2 cars. Let's go let someone in. And I love nothing more than a look at me, right? The only thing about open houses that really breaks my heart is not being able to wear my high heels. I forget until I get into a look at me mirror. And they've done a really beautiful job on the flooring and the banister. Such high ceilings, and look at the detail all the way around. Let's start in the master. Look at this tray ceiling above. It's absolutely gorgeous. Can you imagine laying in bed here and feeling that? And it's just, if you've seen my videos, I'm a big believer in feng shui, and this is just such a perfect, proper placement for a bed where you're protected, where nothing's coming at you. You've got a really nice view from the windows, giving you a little bit of a cross breathe of energy across and not directly at. And I just love it. Now wait until you see their bathroom. My goodness. Holy bathtub. Look at this. I'm obsessed. I love a good bathtub. And his and her sinks, really modern finishes on the cabinets. I absolutely love it. Look at those sconces. They just didn't leave out any details. And look at this, a toilet and a bidet. Fascinating. Look how big this closet is. I mean, it's deep. It's deep. I'm so deep in here. Now let's take it down the hall. Nice deep towel closet. Here's another bedroom. They've obviously turned into a little bit of a studio. Pretty artistic house. Great view of the backyard. We're gonna check that out. also. And I have seen some beautiful birds out there, red cardinal. It's fenced in, it seems, all the way around the back. So it's a fenced in backyard. And then here's just your closet space, a real typical closet. And here is another bedroom. What I love is a little entryway like this into a bedroom. I have like one like that in my house, and I really love having like a little buffer before you enter the main space. It's very comforting, you know. And of course, they use this as an office space, lounge, living room area. It's a bedroom. And here is the shared hall bath. Plenty of room here. You've got your full bath, your shower, really nice fixtures, beautiful floor. And here is the other bedroom, the ensuite. I love the detail in this bedroom as well. So you just got so much potential in this room. And this one, of course, oh, who is that? Hello, hello. Here's your closet. You've got a little storage area here. Really nice size closet, actually. Again, with the whole... And, oh yeah, this is like attics are perfect. A little bonus storage. And this one has a bathroom as well. Look at this. I mean, they just left no stone unturned with this remodel. Very modern, sleek, glam. Oh, my brother has these kind of mirrors. It's great. So it has actually a defogger. Oh, I must be stupid. Yeah, so you can hit that to light it, change the tone, and you can defog. When you turn this on, it helps defog it when you've been using it. That is actually really handy because every time I stay with my brother, I'm so grateful he has that. Now this is Blueberry Lane in Charlotte. I hope you find yourself at home here. We're gonna walk out back together and say goodbye to this house. Thanks for coming along the tour with me. Look at all this light. One thing that I noticed and I commented on with all of the guests that came today is despite all of this light pouring in, even before I turned on the overheads with really nice lighting all over the house, it is not overly warm. It is really hot outside and the heat does not carry in through all that light in the windows. So you've got like a really nice patio area here that easily walks down. If I were buying this house, I would definitely have visions of a hot tub, no doubt. Plenty of room to put it. And then just so much little garden area. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Really love it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Blueberry Lane. I hope you enjoyed your home tour of 1134 Blueberry Lane in Charlotte, Providence Road. I'm Britt Olson, and I'm your realtor.